angidlali ngisakazi, but like yeah. Anyways, bye. So khona ngifika. Sure, we're done with the shopping at the Lagos markets. Now we're going to the car to pack these stuff. I'm gonna give you a review of this one. I've never had this one. I wanna try it. I wanna try this one. That's Red Bull. It's a watermelon flavor, the red edition. Like it's not hot, but it's hot at the same time. Like hot. Okay, it's beginning with yo, I wish it's not so such. Yeah, now we're going home. We're done for the day, and it's really nice. Yeah, it's nice. I like this. Very nice. And if you've made it thus far actually, if you made it this far in the vlog, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your other fellow mates and friends ukuthi babukele ubani olosito ayazani anishakela sometimes unplugger sometimes nje nimbeke nje just nje manibhekile mofika like you know what, you don't know what to watch, just Sito Thala, Lucito Thala, watch, just watch, my baby, just watch. But like yeah, now I see we're on the way, guys. I'm gonna update if I have to go somewhere else, or I'm just going straight home. But now I know good things I intend straight. Tuck when I get home. Suga.
Angifuni. Ngifuna ukuvula.
Angifuni ke.
Nangifuni.
Suga.
Ngifuna ukuvula mina.
Suga.
Mina ngeke emotweni ngifuna ukuvula.
Angifuni ungivulela. Ayisofuna ungikhipha. Suga.
Angifuni. Situ.
Suga.
Ngifuna ukuvula.
Angifuni. Suga ke. Suga. I'm now. Ngiyah right. Mama ulovu akafuna ukuvula igate.
Sani nani mina?
Akafuna ukuvula igate ulovu. Magalo pizza angazi besikhuluma ngala ngibuza ukuthi ngitheni lo pizza ngithi he akwad.
Ngazini uthona intenenza.
Uyongisukele nje.
Ngabalela ukuvula igate.
Suka ngifuna ukuzivulela ngami nawe kusalayo. Ngamenzani? Suka gating. So angam nawe ke kusalayo. Suka.
Sina muteni ngizovula kodwa.
Ngiyakhika.
Yizithi yabona nje. Ngobantu eShapini. Okay.
Ngiyasala mina ngihambe.
Yena muteni ngizovula. Awuhambe wena. Yebo ngithumela nje.
Zohamba. Zohamba masakuluku.
Ngiyambona guys. Buzula umuntu angazi ngimshanga how many years? 14 years. Kodwa siyala man. Ngazi funza uma. Ngizosala ngizophapha. Ngiyambona guys uyakhalvala kahle unyanga.
Ngivalile.
Vala kahle. Shiftele emuva. Ngizosala.
Ngizochayisa.
Ngizochayisa wena. Ungiphaphe. Alento ke. Fasiband. Ngihlahlelayo. Fasiband or ngiyakushiya. Fasiband. Kangithi ngidlala nawe ne. Fasiband. Phuma ngotini yami. Phuma.
Okay.
Phuma emotweni yami.
Don't drive, okay?
Phuma, ubona ukuthi ngiyadrive.
Not drive, okay? Don't drive, ngikatunda phuma.
Fasiband. Ngithengele something. Anginandaba. Angeke ngithengela. Hlala ungafasa ngibanda. Ngithengela. Angeke. Angeke uyithole. Noma ungalifasa ngithengela. Yeah, hlala unjalo. Guys, we're going to Escorts to buy some stuff. To buy amaviana namatuntun, namakasha namatuntun. Angeke. Never. Yeah, guys, we're going to buy those. Done, guys, at the Escorts. And then, like, yeah, alright. Now we're going home to prepare brunch. Or what is it called? Like, I say brunch, you know, 6 yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go home and prepare brunch, make burgers. Gonna make burgers with us. Yeah, we're gonna make burgers and they're like, yeah, we're gonna talk when you get home, guys. Bye. Morning, guys. We're going for a Takealot induction today. I'm on my way right now. Like, yeah. I'm going for the induction. did it yesterday and then I washed it and then we passed some and then it's curled up and then it looks like this. Like I don't know why it looks like this. But yeah. Anyway guys, I'll show y'all Hambili and stuff because I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to talk in the place and stuff like that. I'll try. So bye guys. Good morning guys, it's the next day after I did my hair. It's Sunday today. It's currently I think 7 a.m. 10 past 7 quarter-past. I'm just here to do a hair reveal and then you are. Let me show you guys my hair. I did my lashes and I'm gonna show you my hair. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, guys. I don't know. I didn't want to acting like the light. This is a hairstyle I got straight up. Girls and women that had big foreheads back in the day were considered as the most beautiful girls in the world on earth. Namaj. For example, Nalo. Guys, here's my hair. Like I look so nice. I know she ate now. Yeah. Zon black and I'm one day. I'm missing you never. You black again niggas in. Yeah. But like yeah. What's on my hair guys? Like it looks so nice. Anyways guys, thank you for watching my vlog, and if you made it this far guys, please don't forget to subscribe to like, commenting, and I don't know and say what, but like yeah, comment and tell me what else do you want me guys to do. Like I'm out of ideas at this point. Like I feel like I keep doing the same thing over and over and leaving my videos vague and stuff, you know. Oh, please, man. But anyways, yeah, please let me know down in the comment section if you remember and stuff like that, you know. Yeah, it's a new competition, but like yeah, anyway, thank you for watching the vlog. Till next time guys, bye.